Hello, Junior Learning House. It is Pat, and we're back with another video. So let's have a look. As the title of this video suggests, yes, it's maths. And we're weeks and 4 on this homework work at home sheet. And we're looking at number 6, problem solving. I have 3 lolly bags. I put the same amount of lollies in each bag. How many lolly bags could I have all together in my 3 lolly bags? Draw lots of different combinations. So it's a good counting and good addition lesson. So let's make the heading problem solving, and let's write it in our book. Okay, so let's flip over the screen and let's go over here. Go. Cool. Let's call it problem solving, and we'll write the date. Problem solving. Problem solving, and the date, the 12th, the 8th, the 20th. Now you might have a different date, so make sure you look at the date that's on your timetable that your teacher has sent you today. So that's what we're doing, problem solving. Now pause the video and write that down, and then we'll continue. So sometimes with questions like these, it really actually does help to draw them. So even though this isn't an art lesson, just imagine, if you will, that, okay, well that's 1 bag, that's 2 bags, and that's 3 bags of lollies, and they're like tied at the top sort of thing. You know what, it's not the best picture. Hey, I'm not an art teacher, I'm a regular teacher, so don't be laughing. If you're laughing now, it's okay. Let's get going. So here we go, we've got 3 bags of lollies. Now think of this as a maths equation. So we need to find out how many in each one. So we're gonna add whatever's in here to whatever's in there and whatever is in there. So if it helps you, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this lesson. One, more of an artistic drawing way, and more of just a maths way. So the one way you could do it is you could, all right, we could get a couple of colors, and you could say, all right, well, there's a blue lolly in that one, a blue lolly in that one, and a blue lolly in that one. And you could get another color, and you could say, all right, well, there's a green lolly in that one. It's making me hungry. Another green one in there, and there's an orange one over there, and an orange one over there, and an orange one over there. There's maybe a couple of pink lollies in there too. There's a pink one there and a pink one there. All right. So that's one way you could do this lesson. And then what you would do is you would count how many lollies. And then that would be your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. We've got 12 lollies. Now, what you could do is you could also think of this as multiplication. What does that mean, Pat? Well, you've got 4 in this one, and 4 in this one, and 4 in this one. So you could say, all right, well, there's 3 lolly bags, and there's 4 in each lolly bag. That means there's going to be 3 groups of 4, which is also going to equal 12. Now, if that was... that flew over your head and your brain's exploding, you're thinking, Pat, I'm not a wizard, I don't have a beard, I can't do any of this. It's okay. We're going to do it a different way. So you could draw a few pictures of these and put in some different colors and work out your sums and count each one of them. You could do that, or you could do this. Draw 3 lines, do addition or plus symbols between them and equals at the end, and you just pick a number. And hey, if you want to do something a little bit different, you want to have fun, and you've got some colored pencils, you can still use some colored pencils if you want. Let's do 7 and 6 and 2. If you're looking at this sum and you're thinking, this is too hard, I can't work that in my head, I can't add that with my fingers, sure, I get it. Draw them. And then you just count all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. That could be one thing that you want to do. Or if you want to make it a little bit easier, let me show you 2 methods. If you want to make it easier, and then I'll show you one if you want to make it harder as well. If you want to make it easier, just use your fingers. Just do numbers 5 or less. Sorry, I've got a bit of paint there on my hand. You could do 5 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, 5 plus 2 plus 1, count all your fingers together, we've got 8. 8 would be your answer. If you want to make it hard for yourself, then what you could do is you could maybe roll a dice, or you could start doing 2-digit sums, meaning there's a 10 and a 1. And then you could start to work that out. And if you're thinking 12 plus 11 plus 13, Pat, that's way too hard. Well, then if you want even more of a challenge, you could do this. You could do that. And then you just have to think ones and tens. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus another 3 is 6. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 36 is our answer. So lots of different things. So quick recap. Title is problem solving and we've got the date. You could draw different pictures of lollybags, use different colors if you've got them, count them up and work that out and keep drawing those lollybags. You could draw little dots to help you, or you could try and do it in your head, or if it gets way too hard, you could try some vertical addition. But that's it for today. So have a bit of a practice. I would like, if you were in my class, I'd like 5, 6, or 7 different examples. So challenge yourself. Have a bit of a go. 5, 6, or 7 different lollybag combinations. But that's it. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again for another video very soon. Bye.